Okay, welcome to Walsall Classic Sports Car. Today we've got on offer for you this beautiful 1986 BMW E23. It's a 7 Series, it's a 728i. It's done 72,000 miles from new to own a car. Superb service history, and certainly if you've seen a better old BMW 7 Series like this, you've seen a very good one. Okay, finished in Bronze Beige metallic, sitting on these BMW 14-inch alloy wheels. It's got the period 1980s pinstripe. If you look at the in-depth photos on our website, underneath and inside, under the engine bay and everywhere, you'll see how good this car is. It's on the original dealer plates, the Wheatley all-road BMW, as are the key rings and the rear window sticker. Service history is intensely carried out by themselves until the later years. It's been off the road for a few years. We've just recommissioned the car. Details are on the website what we've done to it. It's only light recommissioning. The car's been kept extremely well over the years by the prestigious owner. He was a member of the BMW Owners Club. He took it to the concourse and obviously won many times. Okay, it's fitted with some nice options from new. It's only a 728 base, but it's got the intensive cleaning system, which is these headlamp wash wipe, heated washing jets. It's got factory fit electric slide and tilt sunroof, which works perfectly. Electric door mirrors, which are heated. The alloy wheels, which are aforementioned. It's also got a stereo radio cassette with an electric aerial, which is working. Just pick up the logo on the aerial there, an aerial. So nicely detailed. Just in lovely condition, inside, out, underneath, everywhere. Inside the car, trim is this Pearl Beige cloth. It's got central armrests which were extra from new. Seats are unbelievable condition wise. Fitted with original BMW carpet mats underneath. The carpets are in great condition, as you'd imagine. Door cards all good. It's got the wood cappings there. And as we look down the door, shuts, you just see how nice this car is. It's fitted with the BMW check system. Press the brake and it takes the brake light out there. 72,060 miles. Automatic transmission, obviously, 4-speed. Electric rear windows, electric front windows. Heater, which all works. We've also got the trip meter there, early trip meter. Ashtray, etc. Sunroof, slide and tilt is all working. We have just got an ABS light on. It might go down off as we go down the road in a few moments, but it might need a sensor. Not looked into that yet. We've had all the brakes to pieces. Okay, we'll take you under the bonnet and in the boot. Again, if you look at the nicely detailed car, chromework all in perfect condition, bright work, window surrounds, badges, everything. Carpet in the boot. As we look under there, again, superb condition. The wheel chock is there, and if we can get underneath to the wheel there, so we've got a brand new Pirelli P4000 tyre on it, the same as what's on the car now. The jack and wheel base under there. Locking wheel nuts are with the car. as is the full toolkit, which is in superb condition. It's not being rusty or anything like that. There's a first aid kit, which I didn't show you as we go into the rear of the car. We've got these rear headrests obviously, and the first aid kit is underneath this cover, untouched. Rear heating. Again, look at the condition. No rust anywhere. Door cards, everything's in superb condition. Under the bonnet. And even the wiper blades of the original Bosch logo on there. 6-cylinder. Fuel injected. There's a coloured card there, Bronze Beige metallic. And again, if you look back, no corrosion anywhere. So there we are for now. We'll have a run down the road in the car and make sure it drives as well as it looks. And then we'll do a video of the underside of the car and the paperwork. So thanks for looking so far. Okay, we're just going to take you underneath the BMW 7 Series, starting at the back, the fuel tank, rear bumper, back quarter, mud flaps, into the suspension. You'll see, into rear axle I should say, you'll see there's quite a lot of wax and old wax kicking around. Fuel filter we've changed, as you can see, original equipment one. It's had a BMW exhaust at some point, we've not put it on, but the stickers are still on it. Brake fluid we've changed and serviced all brakes. It's got new anti-roll bar links to the rear, both sides. The floor, this is all wax covering on the floor, it's all wax, which covers all the brake pipes and everything. There's all the inner sills there as you run down them. See there's no damage. Looks like a bit of a jack point there, maybe nothing serious. Try gearbox. Coming down the driver's side again. So no corrosion anywhere. So the steering link there. Okay, we've had the front legs off there, which we've been waiting for shock absorbers to come from Germany. Then when we got the shock absorbers, we noticed one of the top strut bearings was worn, or it got water in it, and we had to put new bearings on. We're saying again we had to wait for those to come from BMW in Germany. So it's all original equipment stuff out at the front end on the suspension. All the brakes again being serviced, etc. We've also changed these hydraulic pipes. They were corroded on this front, on these joints. They're original equipment from BMW Germany again. And ends on the gearbox there. So there you can see it. So ever so good underneath. These lower inner wing panels there. Front cross member. Okay, we'll just drop it down a little bit and show you some features as we come down. Right again. Right, these are the arches again. The inner wings there, this is the passenger side of the wing, that's the strut, top bearing change. You can see the original markings on the springs there. And loads of wax and everything all the way around these arches. We've not re-waxed this, this is as it came in. This has been kept for many years. looking down the side of the car. Bottoms of the doors and the sills and the mouldings, wheel arch lips. Then it's in superb condition. Coming to the rear, here we got the BMW, all the tyres on these Pirelli P4000s. The wheels are in perfect condition, as are the wheel nuts. Locking wheel nut there. And you see the original sealer around the wheel arch there, which is heavy material, runs into the back quarters under the bumper there. Again, inside the inner wheel arch there's no corrosion. You can put your fingers inside there, it's as smooth as anything. There's no rust anywhere. And again, looking down the side of the car there. Coming round the rear, rear panel and rear bumper, exhaust tail tips, chrome embellishers, and again this rough texture on the rear quarter which runs into the spare wheel well there and then just fades out with some wax, mud flaps, and again this is up in the arches with this textured finish on the arches. And again, looking down the side of the car, it's absolutely superb. So that's the underside of the car. We'll show you the rest of it as we go along. Thanks for looking so far. Okay, for the BMW 7 Series we're offering, we've got the V5 registration document showing one previous keeper at the moment and an older one as well. We've got MOTs going back 1989, 1990, etc. Loads of old MOT certificates guarantee the low mileage, with the newer ones from 2006 onwards, and then the later ones last MOT'd in 2016, so it's been off the road since 2016. We've also got the service manual there, the book about BMW, Car Club, Great Britain, badge in there, and a few other bits and bobs. The radio book, dealer information, etc. And also the owner's handbook and service book, which shows superb history. Most of it done by Wheatley All Motors, supply and dealer. So you're looking through there all the way through. All this information's on our website, so you can have a peruse of that. There are also loads of old invoices and everything, service invoices, etc., going all the way through. Last service was 71,000 and something miles a few years ago, obviously, and we've recommissioned it now. There are some BMW concours event sheets and scoring sheets, etc. there. The car's been shown and enjoyed. And also this nice little touch, we've got the original sales brochures and bits and bobs, and also colour chart. So 2 keys with the car, lock and roll bolt, so that's your lot. So thanks for looking. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 if you are interested. Take you up the road in this lovely old 7 Series, show you how it goes. So it's been stood for a number of years. We've just gone through it service-wise and recommissioned it. There's an ABS light on, so we've knocked a sensor or whatever, we've addressed that. Obviously everything else seems to work in the car. Brakes dead straight ahead, no wobbles on the steering. We've got the original blow pumps Boston style with electric area.
Look to the side.
Cassette players, the cassette files. So it's all working. Got trip computer, the heater, which all works with rear heating as well. Very usable car, electric sunroof. No squeaks or bangs or rattles. It is a low mileage car. It has been very, very well looked after, very well serviced, extensive BMW service history. We've just fitted some new front shock absorbers, strut top bearing, mission equipment from BMW Germany. We've been waiting for a while for them. We've gone through the brakes, change of fluids, etc. Very expensive car when it was new, and it's very unusual to see one in this condition. It's as clean as a whistle, inside and out. So there we are, just one very clean, nice, usable 7 Series BMW, certainly one for the collector, probably one of the best in the country. So thanks for looking so far, and give us a call on 01507 606 725 if this is of any interest to you.